Big Data Infographics. How to revamp your career in Big Data and Analytics? How to boost your career Big Data and Analytics. Worried about what you are getting yourself into? Relax, because $55 per hour reported remuneration for freshers. $80 per hour reported remuneration for experienced professionals. IBM, a renowned tech giant, has predicted that the demand for big data analysts will increase by 28% by 2020. Presently, there are around 86,825 big data analyst job profiles that are available in the United States alone. The demand trend will persist as more and more companies are investing in big data analytics and are hiring for the same. Educational background and prerequisites needed. A diploma or bachelor's degree or master's degree. An academic degree is always a better arrow in your quiver for any career profile, as it ensures a better chance of landing a job and apt remuneration. Surveys have concluded that among the number of big data analysts, 46% have some degree or diploma in mathematics or statistics. 44% of them have a degree or diploma in IT. 10% of them have a degree in business administration. A certification from a renowned platform can take you miles. You can have several certifications in the same field. Some famous certifications you can get are: Certified Analytics Professional, Cloudra Certified Associate, Cloudra Certified Professional. Online Data Science Course. With the advent of the parallel virtual world, education has seen a reform. You can now easily take many courses sitting from the comfort of your home via online training platforms. Basic skills required to be developed. Although there are many aptitudes that you need to develop, but primarily there are two technical skills. 1. Data mining and manipulation. 2. Data mining machine learning with R. 3. Data visualization and elicitation. 4. Fluency in using eDraw, MS Visio. 5. Big data platforms such as Hadoop, Spark, Python. 6. Basic statistics in R. 7. Data segregation. 8. Analytical skills. Business skills. 1. Evaluation of business model. 2. Critical thinking. 3. Communication skills. 4. Problem-solving skills. Permeable job roles. When you join an enterprise as a big data analyst, your job role is immersible in many other roles such as Transorg Analyst, Project Lead. Willingness to work in several fields is a big advantage. 46% of the jobs posted are from banking and financial sector. The other prominent sectors opening their doors wide open for big data analysts are IT, healthcare and pharma, e-commerce, energy and utilities, media and entertainment, and retail and CPG. Be at par with the changes and updates. Keep on brushing up your skills. Read about new updates and releases every now and then, if you want to hold your ground in the field. At par with the changes and updates.